Okay. Hello, dear friends. Good evening. Such a beautiful, beautiful evening. Winner, chicken dinner. 中国花茶精选合集. So this is a Chinese scented tea. And there are two different kinds of scents in it. Traditional Chinese scented tea collection. And from iteaworld, winner, chicken dinner. 他们每一次给我寄过来, I always get treated from them. And they have really good tea. And usually I have hard time to say, to sell things. But for this tea, I am very proud of what they have done. Let's open it up. Taste in tea. Live in harmony. So there are different kinds of teas, origin. So we have 代代花绿茶, 代代 flower. I have never tried 代代 flower. And this one, 茉莉六宝茶, I already have tried it. And there is not much flower. And the fragrance is already very well infused. It's a beautiful tea. This is a chrysanthemum tea. 珠兰花绿茶 Pearl Orchid Green Tea. 乳香红茶 糯香红茶 Sticky Rice Aroma Black Tea. I have tried one sticky rice pu'er tea, and it is not my flavor. It is not my cup of tea. I want to give it a try, so today we will try 糯香红茶. And this one is 玫瑰红茶. 玫瑰 is rose petal 红茶. A black tea. 桂花乌龙. This I drink very often. 桂花 is osmanthus. In south of China, Guangzhou, Southeast Asia, Malaysia, Vietnam, Indonesia, Thailand, Cambodia, Laos, have a lot of this kind of 桂花. In autumn time, it is full of fragrance. Okay, let me first start with it. 茉莉珠茶. Let me turn on the water. Since we are going to try this 糯香红茶, this sticky rice flavor aroma tea, it needs hot water. So I turn on the fire to reheat the water. 栀子花茶 gardenia. Oh, this is 栀子花. It's such a romantic. There was a love song about it, and very sentimental song. 桂花红茶 osmanthus black tea. 柚花 pomelo blossom 乌龙. Oh, I want to try this also. Oh, eeny, meeny, miny, mo. Maybe 糯香红茶. You know, why do I choose? How do I choose between these two? Oolong is relatively stronger. Oolong is usually developed, half developed. I mean, half fermented. The green tea is not fermented. It's just a tea, and they roast it, use hand to stir it, to move around. So it's not too hot. Our hand cannot go beyond 60, 70 degree, right? So oolong is stir-fried, 炒的, roasted, and then keep it with certain moisture and develop it and ferment it. And Hong Cha, black tea, is much deeper fermented. And the fermentation time, or the process of fermentation, actually dissolve the caffeine or the tea-in. So it dissolve and evaporate and reduce the amount of tea-in or caffeine. So this is evening time. I'm choosing this black tea, sticky rice aroma. And they have a little bag. I usually do not use this bag. Sometime later, maybe I will, but not today. 柚花乌龙, not this one. Pearl orchid, gardenia, 桂花红茶，柚花乌龙，茉莉六宝，糯香红茶。Okay, gotcha. I love this container. This container, I can continue use it, and it's perfect for my origami paper. For the long origami paper, it's just perfect for making lotus flowers. Those size of paper, so I love it. So I will not completely. I like to use scissors. You see how long, as I remember you. 糯香红茶 Not only flour, 2 cents with fresh sticky rice aroma leaf. Gaiwan, hot water, 5 gram. First, oh, you can do 7 steeps. First to third steeping. So, I will use half of it. Almost all of it. Well, anyway, why not use all of them? A little bit too much, but I can control the time. Now let me see the time. So this is the first steeping 5 to 10 to 15 seconds. I want the flavor fully develop. Might be too strong already. Yeah, it does have some sticky rice flavor, sticky rice aroma. It smells sticky rice, so it's too hot. This one you can drink it up to 7 infusions. So 1 cup, 7 cups, 7 times, and it always have the flavor comes out different. Each steeping is different. That's the fun of drinking tea. You are seeing the tea become more distilled, become more interesting, become more more natural, more pure, more following your own desire. It becomes part of you. Still too hot, but I can smell the sticky rice. It's very good, very, very good. Okay, now it's cooling down and so good. It's good for an evening tea, not too strong and warm. You feel very warm. The tea itself is very well developed, so there is a lot of its sharpness is already natured, already tamed, and very, very enjoyable. A little bit of sticky rice, that flavor, but not that much. I almost do not taste it when I drink, but when I smell, use my nose, I did feel a little bit of a sticky rice. Yeah. And the sticky rice is not an everyday food. We use sticky rice mostly for dessert, and this dessert so more often during festival, Chinese New Year, Moon Festival, and different kind of and zongzi. So this really brings a lot of warmth in it. Let's put a little bit more water. I think the second fusion will be even better. So try to avoid over steeping. And this one, the water and the tea are separate. So the tea is suspended from the water. That can keep the integrity of the tea. So it always have a fresh taste. Yeah, it is even better. Okay, I will stop here and enjoy my tea. You have a beautiful, beautiful evening. I love you. I really do. Do, 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 do. Cuckoo, bye, bye. Very, very good. Very, very enjoyable.